This is your captain speaking, and we're about to demonstrate what to do with your vacuum cleaner when it refuses to work.
Hello, everybody.
Right?
Here's the vacuum of questions.
All right.
We're going to blow this up because
it just doesn't fucking work anymore, and we're tired of it. So let's do this damn thing. No, what are you doing? Open that fucker up.
Okay.
Yeah. All right, go here.
Record.
It's recording right now. Always wanted to do this, you see.
We ready? Oh fuck! Here we go! Here we go! Get on, Bob!
Wow! Nice!
You're dead!
Dude!
Hey.
And that's what we do to vacuum cleaners that don't work.
I don't think I ran away.